The project for this video takes place in my daughter's bathroom. At first glance, everything might look nice on the surface, but it's definitely hiding a nasty little secret. Water has started to damage the grout that is between the bathtub and the tile. This is what grout should look like. It's right up next to the surface of the bathtub. There's no gap in between them. There's no mold or mildew that's growing in the crack. Unfortunately though, the grout in my daughter's bathroom is in pretty bad shape. There's a gap between the grout and the bathtub. It's sort of pulling away from the bathtub. There is mold growing in the gap. Also, in some places, the grout seems to be wearing away. To fix this problem, I'm first going to clean up the entire area using bleach, a toothbrush, and a rag. The next thing I'm going to do is use this tub and floor peel and stick caulk tape that's designed to protect the grout from any further water damage. So let's get started on cleaning up that grout. I'm going to do a repetitive process where I spray the bleach onto the grout. Use the toothbrush to really scrub at all that mold and mildew. And then wipe it away with a rag so that the grout can dry a little faster. I also have a cup full of water that I'm using to continuously rinse out the toothbrush. And once I was done cleaning the grout next to the bathtub, I figure I'm already here, I might as well keep on cleaning. This floor definitely needed a good cleaning. Just look at that nasty water. Ugh, gross. Next, you're gonna wanna let the grout dry. I waited about an hour before moving on to the next step. I also got a fan and set it up to blow on the floor just to speed up the drying process a little bit. It looks so much better already, nice and clean. Next, we're gonna prep the peel and stick tape roll. Take it out of the package and it's all rolled up. If you flip the roll on its side, you'll see that the tape is actually divided up into two pieces. The shorter side is gonna be pressed up against the floor, and the taller side is gonna be pressed up against the tub surface. Unroll the peel and stick tape and you'll see that there's a dividing line between those shorter and taller pieces. The directions recommend that you take a minute and fold the tape along this line just to prep it for being pushed up against those two surfaces, the floor and the tub. Then I lined the tape up against the tub and I marked it so that I could cut off any excess. Now we're ready to apply the strip. Start with the taller side. There's a plastic film that's protecting the caulking. What you're going to want to do is peel that off just a little bit. Don't peel off the entire piece of plastic. Position the strip where you need it to be against the tub surface and lightly press against the tub. You're going to work down the entire length of the strip. You're going to pull off a little section of plastic and then push that section up against the tub. Once the taller piece is in place, then you're going to start working on the shorter piece that adheres to the floor. Lift up on that bottom piece, grab the piece of protective plastic, and start peeling it off, just a little bit at a time. When you remove a little bit of plastic, then you're going to push the caulk down onto the floor. Getting the protective piece of plastic off was a bit challenging. I had a little trouble getting my fingers on it to pull it off. So maybe use a pair of tweezers to get you started. That might be helpful. Also, make sure while you're pushing down onto the floor that you're also pushing against the tub. You want it to form kind of a 90-degree L-shape angle against the tub. So make sure that it's flat against the tub and flat against the floor as you're working. Continue this process all the way across the tub. And when you're done, go back over the top and bottom pieces and push against the surface of the tub and the floor again, just to make sure that both the top and bottom pieces are securely adhered. The last step is to let it set for 12 hours. During that time, don't get the peel and stick strip wet, or it might come unstuck from those surfaces. And that's it. This project is finished. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you.